Hello and welcome back. So this tutorial is for any beginner who wants to start cryptocurrency trading and you don't know where to start. So this tutorial series will be for you. So let me show you what we shall cover quickly. So let me move to this part. So what shall we cover in this tutorial series? I will subdivide it into 8 videos so that the videos won't be long. So this video is for introduction, and I'll cover, like, number 1 is which cryptocurrency exchange platform should a beginner start with. Number 2 is advantages and disadvantages of that platform. The third one is how to deposit money in that platform. The fourth one is, of which the numbering I can see, I've mistaken the numbering here, but don't worry about that. So the next part I'll also show you how to buy the cryptocurrency. The second part I'll show you how to sell the cryptocurrency. Then I'll show you how to withdraw your money in case you want to withdraw money from that platform. Then I'll show you the best alternative cryptocurrency exchange platform. There are currently 2 that I'm currently using, so I'll also show you the alternative one, and I'll also tell you the advantages and disadvantages of that platform, the alternative one. So I'll finish with the myths about cryptocurrency. Then you'll know if you want to invest in this business or not. So let's continue from where we had left in this tutorial for the beginner series for anyone who wants to trade cryptocurrency. So let's continue. Where's our PowerPoint? Let me open the PowerPoint, and here are we. So which cryptocurrency exchange platform should a beginner start with? So the answer for that is this platform called YellowCard. It's a very simple platform and it has very few bitcoins. This is one of the disadvantages actually of this platform. It has very few, not bitcoins, but cryptocurrency. It's about, as you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, this USDT, USD coin. There are about 7 of them. So it's an advantage and a disadvantages. So let me show you the advantages of this platform first of all. Let me open that panel. One advantages of using YellowCard is that it has instant withdrawals. So if you want to withdraw your money, you'll get it instantly, and you can withdraw using M-Pesa or banking option. The next part is that what I've talked about is M-Pesa. It has an M-Pesa option for those who are for the East Africa citizens. You can use the M-Pesa option to withdraw your money and also to deposit. For those who are not in East Africa, you can use the banking option. The third advantage is that the website is fast and reliable. If you have used other exchange platform like Binance, it's very slow, and it's because it has a lot of people using it. The fourth advantage is that the support team of this platform is very responsive. It will take about 10 minutes to 15 minutes for them to respond to your query. So if you have any issue, you can inform them. And the fourth option is the website is simple and easy to use. So those are the 5 advantages of using YellowCard, and let me finish this part by telling you the disadvantages of YellowCard. There are 2 if I'm not wrong. So the first disadvantage is that the deposit delays. When you deposit with M-Pesa, it will take about 24 hours, and if you deposit with your bank, it will take about 2 days. But keep in mind that if you want to withdraw, it is instant. Only the deposit that has delays, and hopefully they'll work on it. So the next disadvantage is that the number of cryptocurrencies is not as many as the competitors. One of the competitors is called Binance, and they have a lot of options if you want to buy the cryptocurrencies, but this one is for beginners, and there are about 7 cryptocurrencies to buy or sell. So in the next video, let's see what we'll cover. In the next video, I'll show you how to deposit money in this platform, and the other video I'll show you how to buy cryptocurrency. So stay tuned and let's meet in the next part. Let's continue from where we had left. So in this part I'll be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency and how to sell cryptocurrency. Hope you have seen the previous videos, how I've been explaining. This tutorial series is for beginners who want to start trading cryptocurrency. So this is what you have already covered, number 1, 2 and 3. So we are at number 4, how to buy cryptocurrency and how to sell cryptocurrency in this platform called YellowCard. So let me open the platform, and if this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see, this is the amount that I've already invested in. I just started recently, and in case you deposit your money, it will show here, it will reflect here. As you can see, mine there's a pending of 300 shillings, which will take about 24 hours to reflect. So it will show here. So let me show you, once it has already reflected, let me show you how you'll buy cryptocurrency. And since I've already invested already, as you can see, the amount is changing automatically because the prices is also either increasing or decreasing. Sorry about that noise in the background. So before I show you how to buy the cryptocurrency, let me show you how to sell it, because I've already bought my cryptocurrency. So let me go to the part of wallets. This is where you can view your cryptocurrencies. Sorry about that background noise. So select here on the wallet, and I've bought these two cryptocurrencies, Cardano and Solana. So we can start with, let's start with Cardano. And if I open Cardano, I can see the number of Cardanos that I have. It's 9.5. And the current sale, if I decide to sell these Cardanos, each Cardano goes for 55 shillings as we speak. And let's see how much I bought them for. So how will I know how much I bought them for? If I go down here at the transaction part, I can see that I purchased the Cardano 11 days ago here. So if I go to, let me go here, the crypto part. And let me see 11 days ago how much was Cardano. Here's Cardano. I can select it and come here to this option of 1 day so that it can filter it well. And today is on 13th, so 11 days ago it's about on 2nd. Let's see on the 2nd. If you just hover the mouse around this graph and come to the 2nd, you can see it was 52 shillings. So let's see if I decide to sell them right now, if I'll go at a profit or at a loss. So on 2nd it was 52 shillings, and let's go to my wallet and see how much it is right now. Select, come here to Cardano, and you can see right now it's 54 shillings. Actually it's heading to 55. As you can see, it has again dropped a little bit. So if I sell right now, I'll be selling it at a profit, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to sell the cryptocurrency. Then I'm going to show you how to buy again, and I'm going also to show you how to withdraw your money in case you want to withdraw your money. So let's sell. Come here to buy or sell, and I want to sell like how much. Let me sell about, if I have 9 Cardano and each goes for about 54 shillings, I can sell about, let's say, worth 350 shillings. Oops. We had forgotten we are on the option of buying, so come here to sell. Sorry about that. So come and select, let's say we want to, how many Cardanos can we trade with? Let's trade about 7 of them. 7 Cardanos at the current market price at 54 shillings. Let's review and confirm. As you can see, if I trade the 7 Cardanos, it will come at 384 shillings, and that's, we have already seen it will be at a profit. We are selling it at 54 shillings, and about 11 days ago I had bought it at 52 shillings each. So confirm. Let me put my pin, then confirm here. It will take some minutes, and you can see it will tell you your ADA is sold, 7 of them, and the total is 384. So we can go back to the wallet here and come here to home. So at the home section, as you can see, the balance now is 384 shillings because we have sold our Cardano, but the total combine is still 999, because this total combine is the amount here in terms of cash and also the value of your cryptocurrency in total. It will show here. So if I go back to my wallet and see how many Cardanos there have remained, let's go to Cardanos. You can see it has remained 2.5 Cardanos. So now let me show you in case I want to withdraw that money. So the next part is, let's go to the to our PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to show you, I've already shown you how to sell cryptocurrency. Now I'm going to show you if you want to withdraw your money and in case you want to buy the cryptocurrency. So let me minimize that panel here. So if you want to withdraw the money, and as you can see, the money that we have already sold the cryptocurrencies down here. If you want to withdraw it, oops, I've pressed it home. If you want to withdraw the money, you can come here to your wallets, and once you select your wallet, you can come and select withdraw. Oops, I shouldn't have pressed that. Come here to wallet. First select which wallet do you want to withdraw from. We are going to select our Kenyan shillings here, and you can see the amount has already reflected here. So come here to withdraw and select which option would you want to withdraw with. If you want to withdraw with M-Pesa, the charges is 1.4%, which is very minimal. It's about 5 shillings. And if you have a lot of money to withdraw, you can withdraw using bank, and it will be a standard fee of 80 shillings. So you just come here and select mobile money and select the amount. So select the amount because I don't want to withdraw the money. So this is just showing you how you are going to withdraw your money, and as I told you earlier, withdrawing is instant. So now let me show you how you can use that money to buy another cryptocurrency. So come here to home. You have already seen that we have 34 shillings. So if you want to buy another cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin or probably Ethereum, let's buy Ethereum. We can come here to buy cryptocurrency and select which cryptocurrency do you want to buy. We'll select Ethereum and come here to buy, and it'll tell you which amount you want. The one available is this one, so we'll select the whole amount. Let's select 33 shillings and press review and confirm, and as you can see, it will give you this pop-up. Then press confirm. I'll put my pin, then confirm. Then it has already bought it. As you can see, your ETH is ready, Ethereum is ready, and I've bought this worth of Ethereum. As we speak, Ethereum is about, let's see how much is Ethereum. One Ethereum is about 275,000. So you'll be given a fraction of how much you have bought it. So let's go to our PowerPoint and see what we haven't covered. We haven't covered these three. So let me just briefly explain them and answer them, since these ones don't have to really be explained. And I'll start with number 9. Number 9, myths about cryptocurrency is there's no quick money here. The more you invest, the more you'll get. As you can see, mine I've already invested like just about 1,000 shillings. And if I had bought Cardano at 52 shillings 12 days ago, 11 days ago, and sold it right now at 54 shillings, I've sold it at a profit. So in case I'd invested probably 100,000 shillings, the profit will be much more significant. Let me show you an example of profits here, because I have another crypto here called Solana. Where's my wallet? Let me go to wallet, select, come here to Solana. I'd purchased Solana 2 days ago, as you can see, at, let me see, I'd bought 0.14 shillings 2 days ago. This is the amount of Cardano that I bought. So currently as we speak, how much is Cardano? If you want to sell Cardano right now, it's about 3,200 shillings. As you can see, here is the value. So let me see, 2 days ago, how much did I buy this 0.145 value of Cardano? Like, this is 1 Cardano equals to this value. So how much will be this? So you'll see probably I'd invested about, I guess, 400 shillings or 500 shillings there. So let me see 2 days ago how much was it, and see if I decide to sell this Cardano, if I'll be selling it at a profit or a loss. So let's come here to crypto and see how much was Cardano 2 days ago. Not Cardano, but Solana. 2 days ago. 2 days ago is on the 11th it was 2,700 shillings, and as we speak it's how much? 33. As you can see, so if you have invested, if the more you invest, the more you can gain. And also remember, this value also decreases, so buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. So let's go to the myths. So there's no quick money in cryptocurrency. The more you invest, the more you'll gain, or rather also you can lose some money if you want to sell at a loss. So the next, what haven't I covered? best alternative cryptocurrency exchange platform. The best alternative that you can use, like as you can see, this platform that I'm using is YellowCard. There's another one called Binance. Let me type it so that you can see. Binance. This is currently the biggest platform there is in the world. But as you can see in this PowerPoint presentation, there's advantages and disadvantages of this platform. One advantage of this platform is that it has so many cryptocurrencies, like about 100 of them. And one major disadvantage of this platform is, one, it is very slow because it has a lot of people, and secondly, it is very complicated because as I've told you, there are very many cryptocurrencies to work with, and the process of buying the cryptocurrency and selling them, it's very complicated. And in case you want to invest on Binance, this is not an option for beginners. If you have already traded cryptocurrency before, you can use it. But if you are a beginner, please start with YellowCard. It's very simple and very quick and very easy. So I guess this is the end of this tutorial series, and hope you have learned about cryptocurrency world, and you can try it out if you are interested. It's never too late and it's never too early.